Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Champ and I'm the implementation lead for EVERFI here in West Florida. I work with my local districts, schools, and teachers, helping them to implement and use EVERFI resources within their classrooms. I'm here today to give you some helpful tips and tricks on how to utilize EVERFI within your Canvas account. When you're in your Canvas account, the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate over to the Commons tab over here on the left-hand sidebar. Once you're in Commons, you can search for anything you'd like in the search bar. I went ahead and put in EVERFI High School. So I recommend narrowing it down because there's so many options out there. I would recommend putting in EVERFI High School, Middle, or Elementary School. And once you do that, it kind of narrows it down. You can also use the filter button over here to go through and click the specific grades that you might be working with this school year. So I want to draw your attention to two particular EVERFI courses that our team has created for high school. We've labeled one of them EVERFI High School Programs and the other one EVERFI High School Programs Clever. We have also done this at the elementary and middle school levels as well. So we do have two separate ones. So if you are a teacher that is accessing EVERFI via your district's single sign-on portal, you're going to want to pay attention to this course here. If you are a teacher that's accessing EVERFI via our website, then you're going to want to focus on this course over here. So when you click into the EVERFI High School Programs course, you'll notice that we have some preloaded modules in here for you that you can actually pull and export into your own Canvas class courses. Now, I do want to put the disclaimer out there that we do not directly integrate with Canvas in the sense that you're not going to find the EVERFI app on Canvas, and also the scores and reporting features within EVERFI are not able to be directly imported into your Canvas account. However, here are some options that you're going to be able to use as you think about navigating EVERFI in Canvas this school year. So you'll see here we have a module titled EVERFI Overview with some helpful resources, a video, and the course catalog. A module for creating your teacher account if you haven't set that up already. Some further tips for integrating EVERFI with Canvas. And then some modules that you can import and actually push out to your students. So getting started with EVERFI, showing them how to access their accounts. And then we've also taken our course offerings and built them into modules, detailing the specific lessons within each module underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the first lesson of Venture, our entrepreneurship course. So you can kind of get a look and feel of the way that we set up our lessons within Canvas. So you'll see here, there's the title of the course and the particular lesson. So this lesson is called Building a Budget. We give the approximate time that students are going to spend within this course, a brief overview of the module, some instructions to get started, an image, and then some lesson objectives that pertain to that particular lesson. You'll see here students can click on this image and it's actually going to link them directly to our EVERFI website so that they can log right in and get started. In the Clever version of this course, you're going to see that when students click on the image, this time, it's going to take them directly to a link that allows them to log into Clever and access the EVERFI app. In order to import this particular course into one of your existing class courses, you're going to go ahead and click on this blue Import Download button. Once you click on that, you are going to select the courses that you want to import this into. So in this instance, I'm going to go ahead and import it into my Economics Period 4 class. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Import into Course. Now, when I navigate over to my Courses button, and I'm going to go ahead and select my Economics Period 4 course, you're going to get a message that lets you know that your items are currently being imported. After a few minutes, they are going to appear and it's going to look just like you see below. All of the modules are directly imported now into your class. And you have a couple options. You can click on these three dots on the right-hand side and you can edit these modules, or you can move content around or even delete it because let's say you decide that you don't have a need for this particular module. Maybe as you scroll down, you decide that you're not going to utilize Venture with your class. So you're going to go ahead and delete this particular module. As you're going through, you can check each of the lessons within the courses, and you can make sure that it has all of the information that you want your students to be able to see. Another helpful tip is that you can work with your local EVERFI implementation specialist to help you customize these courses a little bit further. I'm showing you an example of one that I have created for one of my districts. You can see I put the district name in the title here when I uploaded this to the Canvas Commons, but I went ahead and worked with my district partners to really customize this for their teachers. So for example, when teachers click and students click into these particular lessons, when they click on the image, it's actually going to take them directly into the EVERFI account via their specific district portal. I also included some district-specific accessing instructions, as well as teacher content, and a little introduction that shows teachers who I am as their local support and includes my contact information for them to be able to reach out to me. So please don't hesitate to reach out to your local EVERFI implementation specialist. You can find the website listed below. Go ahead and click on that, and that's going to take you to a map so you can identify your local support. I hope these tips and tricks were helpful as you consider ways in which you might utilize EVERFI within Canvas this school year. Thank you for being such an amazing EVERFI user. We appreciate you so much. And from all of us here at EVERFI, have an amazing school year. Take care. Bye.